So today, we're going through my activewear. Everything behind here is my activewear. I have a few pieces in the laundry, but those are the pieces I wear all the time. But I decided we'd go through my activewear because I don't need all of this and I don't wear all of it. And to be honest with you, a lot of it isn't my style anymore and I don't need it all. I am not going to be trying anything on in this video. I want to do a video where I rank my workout tops, sports bras, and leggings. So I'm not going to do that in this video. I'm just going to strictly declutter. If you are getting frustrated with your activewear, maybe your workouts, you need some inspiration, I hope that this helps you. And let's get rid of a lot of this activewear because I don't need it. Let's start with some sports bras. This is an Under Armour sports bra I'm going to keep because I like it for when I do outdoor workouts or when I need something to just throw on. It's comfortable and that is a big thing. I want comfortable activewear. I'm tired of this really tight, form-fitting, compression, sucking in activewear. I'm kind of done with that right now. I don't need that right now. I just want to be comfortable. I want to feel good. I want to look good. I don't need to be snatched up in activewear. Gymshark sports bra, keeping because I like it. Lululemon sports bra, keeping because I like it. They are comfortable. Don't need a racer back sports bra. That is the type of sports bra I'm not into right now. This one I am gonna keep because it isn't as compressive and that's what I'm looking for. Squat Wolf. I've been really loving my Squat Wolf pieces, so I am going to keep this one. Oh, my Lorna Jane one, I'm definitely keeping. I really enjoy it. Okay, I have two more from Squat Wolf, which I'm keeping because I do wear my Squat Wolf ones quite a bit. I have two more sports bras. One is from Squat Wolf, which I do wear all the time. This is from Gymshark, which I'm keeping. I'm only getting rid of one sports bra, but honestly, I wear all of them, so I'm good with that. I have another sports bra, which I'm keeping from Lulu. I have two pairs of comfortable workout shorts, which I'm going to keep. One's from Lulu, one's from Old Navy. I do want to get a few more workout shorts, which I'm hoping to get after this declutter. Let's get into leggings. So honestly, the Gymshark camo leggings I'm keeping. I love them. I've been really enjoying my Squat Wolf leggings, so I'm definitely going to be keeping these. These ones here are my Lululemon ones, which I'm keeping. Funny, all the ones that are inside out, I'm keeping. Okay, my Lorna Jane ones were expensive. They are nice, they are amazing, great material. I'm not into them. They are nice. The only thing is they have this band at the top, which I'm just not into. I don't like when leggings dig in, especially at the waist. So these were a lot of money, but every time I wear them, I don't want to wear them, so they're gone. I'm going to keep my Aligns. My Jed North leggings, I'm going to keep. They're probably the most compressive that I have. Oh, these Gymshark leggings, they need to go. These are the Form leggings, and they are super nice. But they're low rise, which I don't mind, but they also have that band, so those are gonna go. I'm gonna keep these from Echt. I'm going to keep these two from Squat Wolf. As you can tell, I really enjoy Squat Wolf clothing. Now for the tops, and this is where things are going to go because I don't need all these tops and I don't wear all these tops. So Lululemon is inside out, I'm gonna keep. Lorna Jane top, absolutely love, gonna keep. Squat Wolf top, absolutely love, gonna keep. Squat Wolf top, love, keeping. Echt Apparel top, compressive, I don't want it. Jed North top, I kind of want to keep it because it's not as compressive and I do really like it. Lululemon Swiftly long sleeve, keeping. The Gymshark Whitney Simmons top, I will keep. My Echt Apparel hoodie, I think it's time to finally say goodbye to that one, along with my Gymshark cropped one because these ones, they don't match up with my Lulu. They really don't. And if they did, I would keep them, but they don't. I also have my gray Scuba hoodie, which I'm keeping. I'm really torn because this one I did buy secondhand and it was put through the dryer. And when I wear this, it's a little more tight on me than the gray one, and this is a little bit older. and I feel like I want just a nice purple one. So I think I'm gonna declutter this one and just get myself a new Lululemon Scuba hoodie. So now that this is empty, let's arrange it and see what I'm keeping, because I can finally say goodbye to some of the pieces that weren't making me feel good, weren't making me feel confident, and now I can finally enjoy just putting on activewear and feeling good. I guess now would be a good time to, you know, flip everything the right side, because if I'm putting it back in there, that's what I should do. A lot of the workout clothing that I've been wearing lately, Lululemon, Squat Wolf, and Gymshark, or my American Eagle leggings that I'm currently wearing right now. I've been working out from home now for over a year because of the pandemic, and I just don't feel like I need clothing that is like so compressive and so form-fitting. I would rather just get into a pair of leggings that are comfortable and that I can actually just breathe in and move in. And if I want to do leg day or yoga, I can do it no matter what. Like, I hate wearing a pair of leggings that are so compressive, and if I want to do yoga, then I have to change, and I don't like that. So if I can get leggings that can do it all at home, I will. The other thing that I've noticed too is my body has changed. I'm 120 pounds, which I believe before the pandemic and the lockdown, I was about 115 to 18, and now I'm about 120 pounds, probably more around 118 to 20, but my body's changed, and that just means that my activewear is gonna fit differently, and that is fine. This is so much better. This is so much better. I am loving this. This is good because I have also minimized my everyday wardrobe, and I love not having a ton of clothing, and this feels so much better. Just to recap, saying goodbye to these 3 hoodies. I'm kind of happy I'm saying goodbye because I never really wore them. Like, I did, but I didn't, you know? So I'm gonna say goodbye to these 3. I'm also saying goodbye to these 2. I only kept this because it was purple. That's the only reason. I'm finally saying goodbye to this. This was so pretty, but even when I was at the gym, when I was smaller, when I worked out, racerbacks were not my favorite. So I can finally say goodbye. And 2 leggings that I'm finally gonna let go are the Gymshark Form leggings, which are a beautiful color and a beautiful material. And I don't mind that they're low rise, but it's the band. I don't like when there is a thin band. I hate that. So these can go. Finally gonna say goodbye to my expensive Lorna Jane leggings. Nice material, great leggings. Don't like the waistband. We're getting rid of 6 items, and it feels so good because every time I would wear one of these items when I was working out, it wouldn't make me feel good and it wouldn't make me feel confident, and I don't need that. I currently have 30 pieces right here. I probably have about 35 pieces in total because I know there are 2 pairs of leggings downstairs and I believe another sports bra or 2. So I believe I have 35 pieces in total, which I am happy with. I do want to pick up a few more pairs of shorts for the summer. I would like to pick up another pair of Lululemon leggings. And I've been seeing Gymshark come out with a few things, so maybe in about a month or 2, I will do a little closet refresh when there's a sale, but that is it. I really hope that this video inspired you and motivated you to go through your activewear. I do want to do a video where I rank what I currently have, like my most worn to least worn pair of leggings, my most worn to least worn sports bra, and do that. I feel like that would be a fun video, but I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you all in the next one very soon. Bye.